As you are aware, we have been hosting refugees for the last 30 or so years, 31 years to be exact. And the impact on the environment of that hosting is very clear on our land, on our lives, and on our livelihoods. When the refugees came in 1991, we used to drill water in the Dadka complex up to only 80 meters. 30 years later, today you can only get water whose quality is very poor at 320 meters. That is a disaster. What the UNHCR and other agencies have done while hosting those refugees, and at its peak, one time we were hosting 600,000 refugees. Today there are 240,000, mainly Somali refugees. They did not give them any source of energy to cook their food. Instead, what they did, they gave contracts for people to go and cut trees and they gave the refugees firewood. What that has done is, for a radius of 200 to 250 kilometers, all the vegetation has been cleared.